Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get bank statement online TD app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to download your bank statement using the TD Bank mobile app, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your TD mobile bank app. Then once inside, what you need to do is log in with your username and password, and then once logged into your account, simply tap on My Accounts on the bottom or side navigation. Then select the account for which you want the statement and then simply tap on the Details tab. Then choose all the statements from the menu. Then select the statement period you need, and once done, tap on Download to save PDF to your device. You can access up to 7 years of each statement and up to 6 months of other documents as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.